Toast the Blossom here. We're going to try some Dalgona coffee. Never made this before. It's basically only 3 ingredients. And the 3 ingredients are 2 tablespoons of sugar. I've got granulated. 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. And 2 tablespoons of water. Then we're going to whisk it up. And we're going to see if it whips up. And it should whisk up to a big whip. So we're going to do 2 tablespoons of coffee. Never made this before. To go frothy, and if it works, I've not made it yet, I'm going to have one lot on some warm milk, or cold milk, and one lot on some real coffee. You could even have it on hot chocolate. So we're going to put it in here, put it on here. It might take a couple of minutes to whisk up. If it goes, we'll put it on the speedy one. So it doesn't look very, it looks very dark at the moment, but the whippier it gets, the thicker it gets, it will go lighter and lighter if this works. Never tried, this is on high speed. I'll be careful not to scratch it too much here. I'm trying to save a bit of time here. It is getting a little bit thicker. I reckon maybe about 1 minute, it might take a bit of time to whip. I've seen this on the, I'm a school teacher, I've seen this on the food teacher's makeover page. I've not put too much mixture in here. This whisk likes more mixture than this, but I don't want to waste it. But 2 tablespoons of coffee is quite a lot. I'll use it up in a cake or something and stuff like that. Just whip it up a little bit now. This whisk doesn't reach the bottom of the bowl, so as you can see, I'm lifting it up a little bit. So you have to be careful with the machine at home, this sounds a little bit dangerous. I don't know, I might try this out another time with different proportions, maybe a little bit more sugar. This is the granulated sugar, so it's got big grains in it. So it might take a while for the granules to break down. I don't know if it's put a different type of sugar. So my God, it is actually working. It's getting quite thick. First time I've ever made this. This is the name of it if you want to look it up. Not sure. South Korea, I've seen something about it now. It's actually working. So while that's whisking up, if it sometimes makes a funny noise in my machine, if it does, because that's why the tape's here holding this lid to be loose. So I'm going to do one with milk. Yeah, it should be hot milk or no type with hot milk. So when you put the milk up in the microwave, I won't heat up in the glass. And we're going to have one with hot milk and I'm going to have one with coffee. You could even have it with hot chocolate, I think would be quite good. So throw the microwave in. That's why I have to hold the top down here. Otherwise it makes a horrible noise. I need a new one really. Take this out. About 30 seconds in the microwave for this, I think. I'll have to admit it actually, probably won't need that long. I'm going to need to watch it. It is actually working. I'm going to whisk it up a bit longer. It is actually working. My son was a bit sceptical. I was a little bit sceptical because seeing I saw it on about the 30th of March, I thought maybe it might be a bit more cool, so I obviously it's not. I don't know how long it will stand up for, so I'm going to put some on it and see if it, because eventually it will fall back to a liquid, but I don't know how long that will take. We'll give that a go later. So as you can see, pretty thick now. Like this milk heated up, and also I'm going to make coffee at the same time. Put it down with the that's done. You could pipe this, and I've not used it more than another. So I've got some hot milk. Heat it up in the microwave. This one's going to be hot milk. This one's going to be some real fresh coffee. Over the go, we've got the coffee machine here. I'll put the coffee in here with this funny scoop thing like you get in Costa or somewhere similar. As you can see, it's really thick now. Works quite well, as you can see. So I think that's about done. I'm going to taste it actually to see if the gritty sugar's gone, because when I make meringue, and if I use, quite nice actually. Quite strong with coffee. Maybe it might be, I think that's quite strong. I do like coffee actually, one of my favourite cakes. You could make a coffee, serve this with ice cream, I think would be quite nice. But as you can see, look how thick that is. That is pretty thick. No, it's actually real stiff pink. So even though when I'm going like this, it's not coming off. So it's actually real thick here. So nearly with the coffee. Now these coffee glasses here, I've got one out somewhere. Oh, here we are over here. Turn the coffee machine off. So that's the coffee. In here, these ones, I call them, they're like Irish whiskey ones, and you can normally do the floating with cream. So I'm going to put that in there. Might be better with the milk actually, because it's very strong at the moment, but we're going to try it out. What the mess up that I've made. Lid back on the sugar and the coffee. So that was 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Get that up all there like that. I'm going to set the timer for 1 hour to see, or half an hour, to see what it's like in half an hour, and I'll let you know. Alexa, timer, half an hour. Alexa, set timer, 30 minutes. Oh, it's not playing very well today. Normally it's really good. Alexa, set timer, 30 minutes. Let me see if I turn that. Maybe it's really quiet or something. Alexa, set timer, 30 minutes. Doesn't work. I'll set it on the cooker in a minute. Hey, so I think this will be quite good pipe, Tom. But you could just spoon it on like so. You'll be a bit careful here. And then on the milk. And there's loads there, so I reckon this would do 6 cups, but you need quite a lot of coffee to make this machine work, I think. Whisking it by hand would be quite hard, I think. In there like so. Make it a little bit of mess. So we're going to try these all out and I'll let you know what they're like. Let me have a little taste of each one. So, cheers. So, and that's how to spell it here, and if you want to look it up. But 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. I think that's just sort of some Kenko stuff. And 2 tablespoons of water. Cheers. Thank you.